is going on?
Huge. They're not going to give up Pakistan. What a shot that is.
No, that was a half volley.
This could be out as just a chance. Taken. Brilliant bowling. And a few words as well. The bat goes up. Strike 6. Hasnain, he's come to the party. 5 to win. Another one, but long off's back. That's the match. He's done it. Pakistan have won. Back-to-back sixes, and they will advance to the final of the Asia Cup.
Are you sure Naseem Shah is a bowler? This is just unbelievable. I'm dumbfounded. And look at the reaction on the field, Afghanistan.